Hey YouTube, thought I'd show you how to take the EGR assembly off a 22R engine. So basically there's two different points where it connects up with the intake right here with 2 bolts and then with 3 bolts back here to the head. So I'll show you. So you got the 2 bolts right there. This is a longer bolt, this is a shorter bolt. Okay. Alright, and then you can see the 3 bolts back here. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and with all the bolts pulled off, you should be able to just pull it straight off there, just like that. That's where it connects up. Ooh.